If you're watching this video, no doubt you are irritated by Stereo Mix not working at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to really fix Stereo Mix. But some of you who are not used to Stereo Mix may be wondering, what's the big deal about this Stereo Mix? Well, it's pretty important because it allows you to record sound coming from your PC. You don't need a microphone to do this. This is why Stereo Mix is awesome. And so this is why many of you are trying to make it work, but it just won't work. So let's fix it. But before we begin, we need to make sure that Stereo Mix is enabled in the first place. Because oftentimes Stereo Mix is there, but it's disabled. To do that, all you have to do is click the start button and then type input device in the search field. And then from the search results, click choose your input device. And now under where it says input, click manage sound devices. Alright, go down and go to input devices again. And then if Stereo Mix is disabled, you should see it under the disabled section. And then if it is disabled, click it and then click enable. And now Stereo Mix should work. But what if this doesn't work for you? Well, here's how you can really fix this issue. So what you have to do is download and install the audio drivers for your computer. And doing this is fairly simple. All you have to do is go online and then type the following information: your computer's manufacturer, the model number, and then type audio driver download. So in my case, I'm going to type the Lenovo ThinkStation P300 audio driver download. So in your case, for example, it may be something like the Optiplex 7060 audio driver download. So it depends on your computer. And if you don't know your computer's model information, all you have to do is click the start button, type system information in the search field, and then select system information from the search results, and voila, you should see a list of system specs. And then from there, you should see your system model number and manufacturer name. Alright, so once you have typed that information, click search, and now here are the results. Ideally, it's best to download the audio driver from the manufacturer's website. So if your computer's manufacturer is Dell, download it from Dell. If it is from HP, download it from HP. So since my computer's manufacturer is from Lenovo, I'm going to download the drivers from Lenovo's website. So I'm going to click it, and now I'm going to go down, and there you go. Here are the audio drivers. And now once I download them, install them, and restart my PC, voila, Stereo Mix should be working again. But you see, for a few of you, not even this fixes the problem. But happily, there is even a better way, a much better way to record sound coming from your PC than Stereo Mix. And it's free and it's in your computer, you don't even know it. In fact, I don't even use Stereo Mix anymore to record sound coming from my PC. And the secret is by using the Windows Audio Session API. And I have a very simple 2-minute video on this on how to record high quality sound coming from your PC. And to see it, please check the link in the video description. For more videos like this, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.